this is my Whirlpool dishwasher. I am going to test out the quick wash cycle using 2 pods this time, one for pre-wash and one for the regular wash. Because when I use the quick cycle as opposed to the normal cycle, which actually takes about 2.5 to 3 hours, the quick cycle does not clean the dishes as well. So I have these dishes right in here, and then also have this extremely dirty pot right here. As you can see, a lot of stuck on. Now, my experience in the past with using the quick wash, it doesn't always get all of this stickiness out of here, all this tomato sauce, tomato paste. It doesn't always get it out. So I'm gonna put this in here and in hopes of it cleaning, okay? As well as the utensils. Normally with quick wash, the utensils do not come clean, okay? So I'm hoping with the 2 pods, the one the pre-wash and one the regular wash, it will make the utensils clean. As you see, there's a lot of crud on there, all right? So I'm gonna be testing out, see there's a lot of crud on there. If it will clean with the quick 1-hour wash. I'm gonna go ahead and put this dirty pot in here, get this ready, all right? And then I am going to close this, all right? Close this up. And then what I'm gonna do here is, there are sections right here. There is one for the detergent, okay? Put that into place, close it, and then if you see that right there, it says pre-wash, okay? That's where I'm going to put this other pod right here, Cascade Platinum, right? I'm gonna place this right here for the pre-wash, and then I'm going to close this and see if it will get clean with the quick cycle. Now, let me go ahead and put it on there. Sensor heavy, normal wash, 1-hour wash, okay? See, it's gonna take 59 minutes, or 59 minutes, all right? Turn on the heat dry. It's gonna change it to 1 hour and 18 minutes. As you can see, the sanded wash and the high temperature wash do not work, all right? So now I'm ready to get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. All right, 3, all right, and come back in an hour and see the results. Let's see how it works. All right, it's been about an hour. The cycle is done. I can hear just the fan is going on to dry the dishes, but I'm gonna open it up so you can see what the dishes look like with the pre-wash for the hour-long wash cycle. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and check it out and see what it looks like. All right, you see there's 15 minutes left. That's only for the drying. I'm gonna let some of the steam come out of that. I'm gonna let it finish drying in a minute, but I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it out and look, wow. Actually, with the pre-wash, it actually does get the dishes clean. All right, so I'm like looking at the spoons and everything. The crud is off of it. That's really impressive. Let's look at see what the pot looks like. All right, so wow, it really cleans it. There's one speck right there, but for the most part, it really did a good job with the pre-wash extra Cascade pod in there. All right, look at the top of the dishes right here. I know those are pretty clean. These are really clean, but I'm really impressed with the knives and forks and how clean they are. And so the trick to getting the dishes clean with a 1-hour wash is, from experience, is just adding the pre-wash. So add 2 Cascade tablets instead of one in the pre-wash and one in the regular wash, and it can get your dishes clean. Well, let me go ahead and shut this because I did what I needed to do, and I'm just gonna let this finish out and dry. So that's the secret. 2 pods instead of 1. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.